What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Open House Bounce. My name's Sean, licensed real estate agent practicing right here in NYC. Okay, so this week we are back in Manhattan. We've got two really great properties to take a look at. So without any further ado, guys, let's bounce. Positioned in the newly rezoned Hudson Square, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath duplex penthouse boasts ultra-modern interiors by Workshop AD. The architect of the space, done by award-winning firm Buyer Blender Bell, does an excellent job of showcasing beautiful design combined with a rich history of the Averett. Upon entering the space, I was greeted by an amazing, well-informed team, not to mention some excellent sun-kissed views of Manhattan. I was a real fan of the black and white kitchen. Key amenities to note: doorman building, landscaped garden, lounge, and pool with men and women's changing areas. This was a designer building, so it's loaded with all the features a proper cocktail party host could desire. Our tour continues with a view of the outside terrace, and I gotta tell you, this one was definitely for the books. With these views, they were quite breathtaking. I thought it was one of the better terraces I've seen in Manhattan in quite some time. Oh, and here's one more shot of this amazing living room with the breathtaking views of Manhattan. Just steps from Hudson Park, the neighborhood is surrounded by Manhattan's most sought-after dining, retail, and entertainment options. Awesome, so really great property with some really great features. One of my favorites was the wraparound balconies with the exposed roofs and all the views. Let's take a look at the next property. Positioned in popular Tribeca, this 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom maisonette boasts some serious interior design work, starting with this custom Calcutta marble staircase grabbing your attention immediately as you enter the home. 23-foot ceilings frame the designer living room and kitchen, complete with custom millwork, 36-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator, and double ovens by Miele and Viking Appliances. The home's floor plan was well appointed, with great features including a limestone powder room with custom shower and plenty of space for guests at the lower level. Key amenities to note: 23-foot ceilings, corner exposure, a private entrance, private garden, full home automation, and low monthlies. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like what you see, give us a like, and we'll check you out next time. Bye-bye.